Welcome to the Rainforest Project. Hi, I'm John, and with the help of my dad and my cousin, we'll be transforming this beautiful space in my acreage into a functional rainforest, free from overpowering weeds with some excellent trails to traverse the steep bushland and paddocks. We'll be installing water, power, and fire breaks all in time for summer. But first, let's clear up the overgrown bush around our new base, this neglected shed. So here we are in a somewhat cleared area. This is my dad's old workshop, and we're about to transform this whole space into a beautiful kind of forest and some tracks and trails through all this basically unused part of my property. And I've been wanting to do this for quite a while, but finally my dad has brought over his excavator, and he has a fantastic 4-ton excavator, so it'll make light work of these hills, all this bush, and we can really get into it. So why don't I take you on a quick kind of tour of how it's looking now, the cleaned up shed area, and what we'll be working on today. So my dad and I and my cousin cleared most of the space last week, but today we're going to be working on building a bit of a track up into the bush and just dealing with a bit of the water that comes down here. So there's quite a big pit where the pipes go under this kind of gravelly area, and the water comes from basically up in that bush. So we've got to come up with a few ideas to kind of capture it and lay some pipes that direct into this concrete kind of basin. So we've bought 2 6-meter lengths of 150mm pipe. Anyway, let's get cracking on this first bit of the task. What a great day! That excavator really makes such light work of clearing all that bush. So that's it for today, so make sure to like and subscribe and come back next week to see if we move on to laying some of those pipes and sorting out the drainage. Thanks for watching.